Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pivots Trade. This is Nitya here. In the last video, we discussed about the basics of stock market. What's the difference between trader and investor? Different types of charts. Now I'll explain the different candlestick patterns. We can analyze the charts in two ways. One is single candlestick pattern, another one is multiple candlestick pattern. What is single candlestick pattern? In the market, we can make a decision by using only one candle. That's called single candlestick pattern. Here I am giving most of the popular single candlestick patterns like Marbazu, in that bullish Marbazu, bearish Marbazu, spinning tops, doji, paper umbrella, hammer, hanging man, shooting star. What is multiple candlestick pattern? In the market, we can make a decision by using more than one candlestick. That's called multiple candlestick patterns. Here I am giving most of the popular multiple candlestick patterns like engulfing, in that bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, piercing pattern, dark cloud cover, morning star, evening star, harami, in that bullish harami, bearish harami. I'll explain all these patterns in detail in the upcoming videos. Let's start with the Marubozu candlestick pattern. What is meant by Marubozu? In Japanese, Marubozu means ball. Ball means a head without hair. Look at this image. A head without hair. Like Marubozu candlestick means a candle without upper shadows and lower shadows. Look at here. This is the Marubozu candle. It has only the real body. It does not have upper shadow and lower shadow. And Marubozu candlestick pattern is a trend reversal pattern. What is meant by trend reversal pattern? It means it changes the direction of the current trend. Look at here. Here the current trend is uptrend. This is trend reversal pattern. Many trend reversal patterns are there. I'll explain all those patterns one by one in the upcoming videos. After occurrence of the trend reversal pattern, the direction of the current trend has changed to uptrend. The direction of the current uptrend has changed to downtrend. It can be any trend, from downtrend to uptrend or uptrend to downtrend. There are two types of Marubozu candlesticks are there. One is bullish Marubozu, next one is bearish Marubozu. Okay, what is meant by bullish Marubozu? This is the bullish Marubozu candle. This candle will form after a downtrend. Example, the candle will be like this. Here the trend is downtrend. The bullish Marubozu candle will form here. This bullish Marubozu candle indicates that the trend is going to change from current trend to opposite trend. That is, here after that downtrend, the bullish Marubozu candle occurring, it will change the current trend from downtrend to uptrend. This candle does not have upper shadow and lower shadow because in the bullish Marubozu candle, opening price equal to lowest price, closing price equal to highest price. This is an example for bullish Marubozu. Here the trend is downtrend. This is bullish Marubozu candle. After occurrence of the bullish Marubozu candle, the trend is reversed. That is from downtrend to uptrend. Next, bearish Marubozu. What is bearish Marubozu? This bearish Marubozu candle will form after an uptrend. Look at this. Consider this is an uptrend. Here the bearish Marubozu candle will form. After occurring the bearish Marubozu candle, the trend has reversed like this. So this bearish Marubozu candle indicates that the current trend, uptrend, it's going to reverse to downtrend. This is bearish Marubozu candle. Here opening price equal to highest price, closing price equal to lowest price. That's why here there is no upper shadow and lower shadow. This is an example for bearish Marubozu. Look at here, the trend is uptrend. This is bearish Marubozu candle. After occurring the bearish Marubozu candle, the trend is reversed from uptrend to downtrend. One important point is the Marubozu candle should be long. If it is bullish, green color. If it is bearish, red color. If the candle is short or abnormal like this, then you should not consider this candle as a Marubozu candle. Better you should avoid that particular trade. That's it, guys. I hope you clear with the Marubozu candlestick pattern. In the upcoming videos, I'll explain the next candlestick pattern. To get my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Pivot Trade. Thank you.